Hello everyone, Tara here from Meet the Makers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cold processed soap. Have you ever wondered how soap was made? Well, today I'm going to show you how we do it here at Okanagan Soap. So come on in and let's get soap making. In today's video, we are going to be making our rose clay soap. This is a special order soap. We're making mini bars for a local Airbnb here in the Okanagan. The supplies that you're going to need for this project, you'll need a immersion blender. I have it hooked up to an extension cord. Then you'll need some good spatulas. These are my absolute favorite spatulas, as well as your soap loaves. These I actually made probably about a year ago now, and these are the perfect size for our little sample bars of soap. And then you'll need your soaping ingredients. So for this recipe, I'll tell you the ingredients but not the quantities. Castor oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. I don't use any palm oil in any of my recipes. It's 100% vegan friendly. And then in here, this is our lye water. For my additives, coconut milk, French pink clay. We'll be adding a mixture of essential oils. And then we'll also be topping the soaps off with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. This is finely ground, which is nice so it's not too abrasive for the skin. All of the utensils, the surface has been fully sanitized. I always make sure to wear my hair up. To just mix your oil with your lye water solution. Now I'm going to blend until I get a nice light trace. And I'm going to add my additives. So this is our coconut milk. Now I'm doing a double batch on purpose so that I'll have some left over in my shop for sale. So this is the coconut milk, organic. And then this is the pink clay here. This is French pink clay. So when soap making, I prefer not to use any artificial colors or fragrances, just all natural ingredients. So I have my pure essential oils here. I'll just add those in. Got a perfect, nice thick trace. Now what I'm going to do is just get these out of the way, and I'm going to start filling my molds. Fill it up to the top. I'm going to do a nice bang on the counter. That'll get rid of any air pockets. The fun part is to add the little sprinkles on top of the pink Himalayan salt. So basically, I'm just going to lightly sprinkle them on the middle. And that's perfect. So I'm going to let this sit up overnight, and I'll come back tomorrow to unmold it. And then I'll be ready to cut up the bars. Welcome back to day 2. So it's been about, I would say, 28 to 30 hours or so. And the soap is now hard, so it's ready to take out of the molds. This is my personal favorite part of soap making. Personally, kind of feels like Christmas morning, opening a present, seeing your soap. So the loaves were lined with parchment paper. This allows for easy removal. Now I like to wear gloves just because the soap is a little bit soft still, so I don't want to get any fingerprints on it, so wearing gloves is a must. Look at that, okay? Smells amazing. All right, so that's the last one. Now I'm just gonna grab my cutter and I'll show you the cut. And because there is the Himalayan salt on top, what I like to do is I'll put it on its side so I don't have drag marks from the salt going through the top of the soap. And I just line it up like so and straight down. And then I save the little end cuts here, and these just go into our $20 grab bags that we have available. And there we are. The soap has now dried for 4 weeks, so it's now ready for packaging. We like to package our soaps in an eco-friendly, biodegradable shrink wrap, and then we add a custom printed label on the front for the customer. So for this soap, it's a local Airbnb, so we'll put the Airbnb's logo on the front with the soap flavor. And now, the moment you probably have been waiting for is, let's see the lather of this soap. So I'm gonna call upon Ray and he'll do a little demonstration with the end cut. Okay, so here you go, Ray. This is your first time using this flavor.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's a nice lather. So a hot tip, if you're using artisan soaps in your own home, always make sure to use a cedar soap deck. We actually make these in our shop and they're available on our website as well. So if you're looking to purchase Okanagan soaps, we have a few different areas where we sell our products. Of course, we sell them in store, but we also sell them on our website, which is okanagansoap.ca. And then we also sell them on Etsy at okanagansoap.store. We hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more DIY tutorials like this, definitely give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video every Friday.
See you soon.